I'm going to show you how I created this. It's a hidden folder that you don't see until you hover over it. So how did I create it? Let's first delete this one and let's create a new one. So right click on your desktop, go to new and folder. Now instead of typing in a name, hit Alt, and while holding down Alt, hit 255. Now you can just click away from it and you have a folder with no name or an invisible name. And now you just right click on it and go to properties, customize, then change icon, then scroll over till you find a blank icon, hit OK, hit apply, and you can see in the corner there, it's kind of hidden by this window, that the icon is now hidden. So now if you want to have something in here, you can simply just drag and drop if you find the right location here, which I just didn't. So now let's add something into there. Grab whatever you want really and just drag it into there, same as always. And then just close it and it's still hidden. So, but there's one flaw. It's not completely hidden, obviously, but this is kind of if somebody gets access to your computer and say you don't want them to have access to a certain file, maybe you have some sensitive data like passwords or something stored on there, you can put that in there and that'll at least make it harder to find because that folder is not really searchable because it doesn't have a name. And you're not going to go, across the whole desktop until you find something like that. This hidden folder can also be found by just selecting everything, and then it's visible right there. But if somebody is going to be maybe briefly using a computer, or at least kind of as a deterrent, you could use this.